What's going on, everybody? Yesterday I went and checked out Gardens by the Bay. If you're going to Singapore, 100% recommend checking it out. You can check that video up here. Afterwards, I head back to my hostel because my hostel offers this free scooter tour. Not like a motorbike scooter, but a push scooter with your legs where you have the brake on the back kind of thing. There's about 19 of us from the hostel that all went out that night. About 5.5 hours, cruised around the city, went on the boardwalks, everything you could see, light shows. It was really nice, probably my favorite thing so far in Singapore. Towards the end though, like, it was unfortunate for someone, something crazy happened. My friend Michelle and I were lingering in the back and there was one other person in front of us. We were going down this huge slope, going high speeds down this hill, and the girl right in front of us, like literally like 3 meters in front of us, totally was just going high speed and just slammed to the floor. And usually I like crack up when people fall, but this was like too intense and like just wasn't one of those funny ones. It was like, oh crap, I gotta help her out kind of thing. Her eye was gushing blood, her elbow was gushing, her legs were gushing, she was freaking out. Her glasses shattered, her camera was thrown on the floor. 2 other pedestrians saw her fall and came by to help her out, which is nice. I went back on my scooter and booked it down the hill to catch the instructor and tell everyone what just happened. The instructor came back up and kind of just sat there and just like watched and smiled. Not like laughing, but he was just like, hello there. Just sitting there bobbing his head. It was just like super weird, super, I don't know what he was doing. But Michelle was comforting her. She was like,
at least you're gonna have a cool scar.
Because her eye was gushing. Like all of this section was like all down her face. So it was pretty scary. She was in shock and everything. She didn't know what she was doing. She was hyperventilating, like couldn't breathe properly. So I got a security guard, told them to get a go-kart to help her way out of here. She wanted to go to the hospital. The ambulance came, took her way to the hospital. She ended up getting stitches over her eyelid. I saw her back at the hostel after the hospital, and she said she felt because her foot like hit the ground when she was trying to hit the brakes. I didn't know how she felt. Literally, she was just booking and just like slammed instantly, and I was like, holy crap. But anyways, today's my last day in Singapore, unfortunately, and there's one more thing I definitely want to do. So today, at least, I'm gonna check out the ArtScience Museum because I heard that's a must-do. I'll determine that after I go. We're gonna check it out right now. Luckily, my hostel is really close to the train station. It's less than a 2-minute walk, and it takes me about 8 minutes to get to the downtown Singapore area. The museum is right behind me now, right there. I'm outside the museum now. I didn't look up anything beforehand, so hopefully it's really nice. I have no idea what to expect. Thank you.
Welcome.
I stepped outside for a moment because when I entered, they said no filming. Why? Why did I do this? That's not gonna stop my vlogs. Okay, guys, no videos, all right. I'm gonna get whatever I can because obviously I can't take videos, so I kinda gotta sneak it in there, get as much as I could for you guys so I could really show you this place out. Alright guys, I'm going to end off today's vlog right here. If you're in Singapore and into museums, definitely check this place out, especially just for the architecture alone. That is today's vlog. Follow me at Julian Andrade Vlogs. I'll see you guys soon. That's not gonna stop my vlogs!